Yes, we had problem before after the international break. Today, the spirit, the quality of the play was good, and we played a really good game from the beginning until the end. Of course, we are happy when our striker scored a goal. I think Müller, I said a lot of time, was important as his style of play for us also when he didn't score. So, of course, now he's scoring. In the last 3 games, he scored 4 goals. And, of course, he's important, but the most important is the movement that he's able to do and the quality that he has without the ball. He doesn't need to play well to convince me. We are totally convinced about his quality. I am totally convinced. Of course, Bayern is a club where there is a lot of competition because I have lucky the fantastic player at disposal, and it's not easy, but he played well as usual, and I have a lot of confidence on him. He represents the present and also the future of this club, of this team. Lewandowski did as usual do, score goals. He played. He made an assistance for Thiago in the second half and also for Thomas Müller in the second goal. What can I say more about Lewandowski? More or less he scores every single game. So I have this kind of lucky to have this kind of striker that are able to score more or less every single game. Sven, he didn't have a lot of opportunity this season. You know why? Because we have a fantastic goalkeeper, but we have confidence. He trained really well, and we have a lot of confidence, and I think that Neuer can have a good recovery without any pressure.